If you want to start gaining some serious money on YouTube, delete your YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm gonna put 3 different YouTube channels analytics up on the screen. Now take a look at the views that these channels are getting and take a guess who is making the most money with their channel. Okay, so we have a channel with 100,000 subscribers and they're getting 1 million views a month. And then we have a channel with 500,000 subscribers and 2 million views per month. And the last one is going to have 30,000 subscribers and they're getting 300,000 views per month. Now, if you guessed anything besides the one that I just said, then you're wrong. Now, does that surprise any of us? Because the channel with the least amount of views is making more money. So if you guys want to start making money with YouTube, delete your YouTube channel. But let's talk about what I actually mean by that. Now, let's not take what I'm saying too literally, because I do not mean to actually go into your settings and just wipe your channel completely. But what I mean here is you're gonna need to make your content formula more modern, because I don't want you guys to be doing any unnecessary work. We hate unnecessary work. Something not a lot of people know on YouTube is that there are different ways that you can be making more money per view, which is crazy because you might be thinking a channel with 2 million views per month is making more money versus a channel with 300,000 views per month. But the truth is that's just not the reality here. And the great thing about YouTube, if you play your cards right, it can become a passive income. And that means you can basically be just doing whatever you want while your YouTube channel is technically working for you, as you're putting in this work once and then you're just getting a consistent income without even having to work. And I know this is a possibility because my brother Matt has a YouTube channel called Make Money Matt, and while he is making money online, he is actually just traveling the world, which I love to see that for him. And he recently had just swam with great white sharks, which is actually crazy because, fun fact about me, I love sharks and alligators. There's just something about them. They're so unique and just prehistoric in a way. I don't know. But I definitely want to swim with sharks sometime. And he showed me that it is possible just by putting the work in online and making money with it. So most of the time, people are doing YouTube in an outdated way. So if you consistently keep using these outdated ways, then you will not see the outcome that you hope to get. Because there are faster and lazier ways where you can be making more money. And these are the methods that my brother has given thousands of other people to make tons of money with YouTube with his course that he sells. And we'll make sure to link that in the description if you want to check that out. So the first step to no longer have an outdated YouTube channel. I love vintage things, but probably not a vintage YouTube channel as it's not gonna make the money that you want. But I'm talking about running your YouTube channel in a vintage way. So the first step is going to be delete your YouTube channel. And I'm only saying that to really bring attention to this point and really emphasize it. And what I exactly mean here is to create a new YouTube channel. And you're going to want to pick a new niche, because a niche is really what's going to take your channel off. And let me tell you why a niche is so important. Different advertisers are willing to pay more money to get their ads on specific videos. So for example, there are millions upon millions of different technology companies. And these companies are running their ads on technology related YouTube videos, for example. So technology YouTube channels are going to get more money per view. And that's because these advertisers are paying more money to get their ads on these specific videos. So in the meantime, if your old channel that you have is just posting random vlogs, then not a lot of advertisers are going to want to put their ads onto your videos because they simply don't know what to promote on your channel. Of course, vlogging has worked for some people. I mean, take Emma Chamberlain, for example. I just bought her blue matcha at Target. It is so good. But these vlogs don't necessarily make a lot of money per 1,000 views. So if you're looking to get your views up right away and start making money as soon as potentially possible, then you're going to want to choose a profitable niche. So I would recommend that you choose a niche that will make you good money, but also pick a niche that is enjoyable to you. You don't want to find yourself not liking to do the work that you're doing, especially when it's something that you can control. You're picking the niche. So some examples of some good niches would include travel, health, wealth, finance, investing, makeup, and again, technology. And just a little tidbit here is the top advertisers on YouTube are technology companies. So again, technology wouldn't be a bad niche. So if you just already take the steps to create a new channel and pick a new niche, then you're already on the fast track to growing your channel. But we still have a lot of different steps and a lot of different tools that we can utilize to help us grow a channel from scratch. So now that you've got your niche picked out, you're going to need to, of course, create content. And you're going to want to create content that is different than the content that you were creating before, because that content simply was just not working. And I'd like to say that the ideal goal, at least for me with YouTube, is to create content, get your channel set up, and then kind of put it in the back burner, not have to worry about it, but consistently keep making money from it, which is what I called it before, a passive income. So in order to make this passive income a possibility, I would recommend creating a faceless YouTube channel. Now there's tons of YouTube channels out there that are faceless and they are making 6 figures a year. And they don't even need to reveal their identity at all, which is one of my favorite parts. My brother runs a bunch of different faceless YouTube channels, and also the students within his course have created faceless YouTube channels as well. And they all have channels out there and you wouldn't even know if it's them or if it's not them. And with technology, you could even take it a step further and not have to show your voice at all either, as well as your face. A site like 11 Labs has a super realistic text-to-speech capability, so you just have to type in your script and then a robot voice will say it for you, but sound like a human. Or you can voice over your videos completely on your own, which is totally fine as well. So now you've changed your niche and you've changed the style of content that you're going to be making. You've completely changed the game here. And instead of having to keep up with your content, sitting down, recording a video, editing a video, you don't have to do that, because you can head on over to a site such as one called Fiverr, and you can just hire any of these people to do different aspects of your work for you within your YouTube channel. It could be just simply doing everything for you, or it could be just editing a video for you or creating a thumbnail for you. So if you're just starting out with YouTube and you don't have a big budget to just hire people on Fiverr, you could get started on your own, get your channel set up on your own, and then once you start making money from ad revenue or different affiliate links, then you could look into investing on hiring people with Fiverr. But if you have everybody doing this work for you with Fiverr eventually, then you could really backlog your content and have a bunch of videos stocked up, and then use the YouTube Creator Studio tool, and then you can schedule to upload your videos at specific times, so these videos will just automatically post. Another good tool is a website called Trello. They also have an app, and you can just really keep track of all of your things on there. I use Trello, and I know my brother uses Trello. It's almost like you're in an assembly line here, but just for YouTube. So if you want to keep making money, then you have to keep making a bunch of videos. And so for only one day out of the month, you would have to be working, which is basically just scheduling to upload these videos that other people have created for you. So in the meantime, you can just sit back and watch the money come in. Let me know in the comments what you guys would be doing in your free time if you were having this passive income. Would you be swimming with sharks? Or would you maybe want to be relaxing on the beach? Now I've got one last very important step for your guys' YouTube channels. And this one is going to be very, very important because it could multiply your earnings, meaning more money, which of course, who wouldn't want that? But I want to first tell you guys, if you found any of this information helpful, my brother has a course called Tube Mastery and Monetization, where you guys can get hours and hours of breakdowns on how to get success with YouTube. He walks through this process and really shows how you can run a faceless YouTube channel and make money with it. And my brother even has a built-in community there, so there's always going to be somebody to answer your questions if you have any. Okay, so this next step is really going to take your channel to the next level. And you could potentially be making even more than a doctor's salary. So if you want to, you could compare my brother's course to going to a university, as people going to these universities are taking out massive loans and only for them to fall into debt, which is why I'm here on YouTube, but I also am in college as well, because for me, I just want to further my education, but it's up to the person. But let me tell you, my brother's course seems like such a good use of your money if you want to go down the YouTube creator route. This is something that a university isn't going to teach you. He's just straight up teaching you guys how to be making money with a faceless YouTube channel. But like I said, if you want to have a backup plan and maybe you do want to be a doctor, but you want to see how YouTube works, you can do both. Nobody's stopping you. You can do both. For example, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing YouTube, but also going to college. But the main point here is my brother's course is just really a great investment if you're interested in an online business, and that's probably why you're watching this video. So the link to Tube Mastery will be in the description of this video. And now we are finally getting on to the last and final step here. So now we have our faceless YouTube channels automated for us. And what that means is just other people are making this content for us and we're making money from this. So now it feels like we're kind of done with everything, right? We're just making money with YouTube, not even having to work. Well, let's take it all the way back to step one. And what was step one? Creating a new YouTube channel. We're gonna create another one, guys. And the reason for this is because you can create this new channel and then hire people to further that channel, and then that channel will start making you money. And then this will just start giving you several sources of income. Because once you get one channel set up, you can get another channel set up, and then you can get another channel set up. And if done right, my brother teaches all of this in his course, you can basically multiply your earnings. And this is by having several high income channels. And the only work you need to be doing is uploading your videos once a month, which is just scheduling to post them. So for all of you guys that want to learn how to do faceless YouTube channels right, make sure to check out my brother's course, as well as all of the other tools that I used within this video. Also, here's my brother's best free training course that teaches more about faceless YouTube channels, and he goes over 4 different secrets for setting up your faceless YouTube channel and finding success within it. So make sure to click on it, check out the description, we'll see you guys there.